Wheat halwa. The ingredients required are wheat flour 1 cup, sugar 1 to 2 cups, depending on the taste you need, ghee, ilachi powder, cashew powder, and badam. Step 1. Add ghee in a pan and add the wheat flour and fry it till we get a nice aroma. Now switch off the stove. Now add some water and mix it without any lumps and keep it aside. Step 2. For the sugar syrup, add the sugar to the water and let it boil till the sugar is fully dissolved. Now we can add some kesari powder, ilachi powder, and keep boiling it till we get one string consistency. It will take around 10 minutes. Step 3. Now add the wheat water to the sugar syrup and stir it continuously. Don't stop it in between. Stir it continuously and add ghee in between whenever required and stir it till you get an halwa consistency. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. And at what stage it will stop sticking to the pan and come out smoothly. At that time we can stop the stove, add grated almonds, and our wheat halwa is ready to be served.